Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a video about unboxing my new handbag, which is a Givenchy Antigona. So let's take a look. And this is my new baby, Givenchy Antigona. When I bought this handbag, it didn't come with a box, just only the dust bag. So let's talk about the dust bag. The dust bag is made from a cotton canvas, so it's very soft and smooth. At the front, there is a Givenchy Paris logo. And this is my new baby. Ta-da! Givenchy Antigona. I got it in a small size and in the color called beige camel. I got it in gold skin leather, which is pleather surface, as you can see. The size of the bag is a perfect size, not too big and not too small. Let's talk about the dimension. The height is a 24 centimeter, wide 33 centimeter, depth is 16 centimeter. There is two top handles. At the bottom, there are two leather feet. On the front, there is a signature of Antigona, which is a triangle patch which has Givenchy logo there. Another thing that is become like a signature of Antigona bag is this a chunky zipper. You can see the zipper is very chunky, it's very oversized, which is chic. It comes with a detachable shoulder strap, which is around 84 centimeter. Let me put this in the bag. And yes, it's very nice. I love this Antigona bag is because it's timeless. I mean, the shape itself is a timeless, it's a classics. And also, I just love the sleek and clean and certificate look. There is no pocket at the front or on the back, but it's very nice, believe me. So let's take a look about inside. A lot of paper. And by the way, when you buy an authentic Givenchy, you're gonna get some certificates which has some information about the handbag, the code, the serial number, the color, made in Italy, and also inside there is a sample of the leather and also a booklet. So this is what you get in the bag. Inside there is only one big compartment. I think we can fit so many stuff in here. And one side there is some internal zip pocket. Another side there are two internal pocket, which you can put some phone or some card here. The inside is made from a smooth cotton canvas, which had the same color like the leather outside. I love this, it's very nice. I was hesitated between a medium size and a small size, but I decided to buy it in a small size because I think it's a perfect size for everyday use, for going to work or go for shopping or even traveling. And I just love this color because it can go with any outfits or any occasions, with anything. So this is my Givenchy Antigona. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my unboxing video, and if you like it, please click like and subscribe. See you again in my next video. Bye!